Hello everyone and welcome back to the Samsung Product Consultant channel. Today on our review desk we have the most talked about device of 2026, the absolute star of the lineup, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. I constantly hear the questions, is it worth upgrading to the Plus instead of the base S26? Or when spending this kind of budget, is this the smartest investment? Today we aren't just going to read the specs off a spec sheet. We are diving deep into the device's hidden capabilities and what those fine engineering details actually mean for your daily use. By the end of this video, you won't have a single doubt left in your mind. If you're ready, let's dive in. The moment you pick up this device, its perfectly balanced 190-gram weight and 7.3mm slim profile instantly give you that premium feel. The S26 Plus houses a massive 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. But the real story here isn't the size. It's the resolution. Thanks to the QHD Plus resolution, the details on this screen are literally razor sharp. The 120Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate feels buttery smooth while navigating menus, yet dynamically drops to the absolute minimum on static images to save your battery. And the struggle of not seeing your screen under the sun? That's history. This panel hits a staggering peak brightness of 2600 nits. It's protected by our latest shield against scratches, Corning Gorilla Armor 2. Plus, with its IP68 certification, it can easily handle being submerged in 3 meters of water for 30 minutes without breaking a sweat. Let's move on to what everyone is most curious about. What's under the hood? The S26 Plus comes with the Exynos 2600 processor, built on a groundbreaking 2-nanometer manufacturing process that sets a whole new standard for the mobile world. This chipset features 10 physical cores. The Exynos 960 GPU, developed in partnership with AMD, delivers a massive 20% performance leap compared to the previous generation. This powerhouse is paired with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage options of either 256 GB or 512 GB. And Samsung has completely eliminated the "will it overheat?" anxiety. The thermal interface material has been upgraded, and the vapor chamber cooling system inside the device is now 29% larger. This means absolutely zero thermal throttling, even during the most demanding gaming sessions or when rendering 8K video. The back of the S26 Plus features a highly reliable triple camera setup. We have a 50MP main sensor with an f/1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization. Thanks to the enhanced ProVisual Engine, nightography, our low-light shooting capability, is now noticeably brighter, sharper, and completely free of grain. Our second camera is a 12MP ultra-wide lens offering a 120-degree field of view. The third is a 10MP telephoto lens capable of 3x optical zoom, which works absolute wonders for portraits and capturing distant details. Even when you push it to 30x digital zoom, the AI steps in to essentially reconstruct the textures of distant signs, giving you a remarkably clear image. Great news for content creators. You can record video in 8K at 30 FPS. The Super Steady mode's new Horizon Lock feature is particularly mind-blowing. You can literally rotate the phone 360 degrees while recording, and the video stays perfectly leveled on the horizon. Up front, our 12MP selfie camera, backed by an AI image signal processor, captures your skin tones and hair details as naturally as the human eye sees them. Fueling all this power is a massive 4,900 mAh battery. Combined with the incredible energy efficiency of the 2nm processor, it promises up to 31 hours of video playback on a single charge. When you do run out of juice, the 45W wired fast charging support gets you up to roughly 69% in just 30 minutes. We are pushing the boundaries in connectivity tech. The latest generation Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, dual eSIM 5G, and NFC are all fully on board. On the software side, it runs Android 16 with One UI 8.5 right out of the box. Galaxy AI is smarter than ever. With Photo Assist, you can flawlessly erase unwanted objects from your photos, and the nudge feature learns your habits to offer proactive suggestions. Best of all, this device comes with a guaranteed 7 years of Android OS and security updates. To wrap things up, The Galaxy S26 Plus is the absolute Goldilocks phone. It's designed perfectly for those who find the standard S26 screen and battery too small, but don't want the sharp, boxy footprint and premium price tag of the Ultra. However, with its stunning 6.7-inch QHD Plus display, an all-day 4,900 mAh battery, and the thermally upgraded 2nm Exynos 2600 processor, it stands as the most logical flagship in the series, one that will serve you flawlessly for years to come. You can buy this one with absolute peace of mind. So, what do you guys think about the Galaxy S26 Plus? Does this level of hardware justify the price tag for you? Let's meet down in the comments. I'll be reading and replying to every single one of them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button for more in-depth reviews and tips. Until the next video, stay tech-savvy.